Hi students, in this video we will discuss program to copy the contents of one string to another string. So let us assume that we have a string called str1. So the str1 contains a string called Sachin. The same contents we need to copy to str2. So this is copying a string without using a predefined function called strcpy. Okay, so without using strcpy we need to copy. Now here, in order to copy, one array cannot be assigned to another array directly. That is, we cannot assign one string to another string directly. Like this, we cannot write the code. That is str2 equal to str1. If we write like this, it generates error message. That is, one array cannot be assigned to another array directly. So we need to copy the elements individually. That is, here, in order to copy a string, what we need to do here is, that is str1 of 0 should be assigned to str2 of 0. Then str1 of 1 should be assigned to 2 of 1. str1 of 2 should be assigned to 2 of 2. str1 of 3 should be assigned to str2 of 3. str1 of 4 should be assigned to 2 of 4. str1 of 5 should be assigned to 2 of 5. That is what happens. S A C H I N will be copied here. Okay, one character we need to copy. So here in this case the \0 will be appended automatically. But if we are copying a string one by one character manually, we have to append the \0. We need to write the code for appending \0. In this case \0 will not be appended automatically. Here we will see the code for copying. So this is not possible, so I am removing this part. So in order to copy a string, for I equal to 0, str1 of I not equal to \0. What is the meaning of this statement? We will iterate until we reach \0, then I++. So here we need to assign str2 of I equal to str1 of I, then end with semicolon. That is what happens here. Now let us see the example. Now, so first time, what is the value of I? 0. str1 of 0 is s not equal to \0, true, enters into this block. That is str1 of 0 is assigned to str2 of 0. That is s will be copied here. Then after that I++. Now I value becomes 1. str1 1 of 1 is a not equal to \0 s. Now a will be copied to this location. That is 1 of 1 will be copied to 2 of 1. Then I++ 2. str1 of 2 is c. Then c not equal to \0, true. Then so str1 of 2 will be copied to 2 of 2. That is c will be copied here. Similarly I++. I value becomes 3. So str1 of 3 is h not equal to \0 s, enters. Then that h will be copied to this location. Then similarly I++ 4, str1 of 4. What is str1 of 4? I not equal to \0 s, that I will be copied to this location. Here I will be copied. Then again I++ 5, str1 of 5 is n not equal to \0 s, n will be copied here. Then again I++. Now I value becomes 6. str1 of 6 is \0. \0 not equal to \0, false, comes out of the loop. Now if you observe carefully, up to Sachin it has copied. This \0 is not appended. So what we need to do here? Here we need to append \0 manually. After coming out of the loop, str2 of I equal to \0. We need to append. We need to write the code for appending. What is the I value when it comes out of the loop? That is 6. That is str2 of 6 equal to \0. Now this \0 will be appended to this location here. Okay, so this is copying a string. Let me show you the execution for this program. So please concentrate, watch the video completely. So I will trace and show you this program. Okay, now here if you observe, see the code here, this is the declaration part. Then two strings I am declaring with str1 of 80 and 2 of 80. Then clr scr for clearing a screen. If it is dev c++, please use system of cls. Then accepting a string, this is for accepting a string including spaces. Then so this is the code for copying the contents of one string to another string. After coming out of the loop, str2 of I equal to \0. Then after that, after copying, string 1 and string 2 will be displayed onto the screen. Okay, let me run and show you the program first. Right, control plus F9, Sachin. So after copying, str1 and str2 contains the same string. Now let me trace and show you this program. Now if you observe carefully, so str1 and str2. So by default garbage value it contains Sachin and Sachin in that memory location. Now let me enter the string as so Ravi space Kumar Kumar. So I have entered str1 as Ravi Kumar. Now what happens here? So str2 also the same string will be copied to str2. So now if you observe carefully, so R will be copied A, then V, I space Kumar. One character is copied, then \0 is appended. Then after copying, you can see onto the screen both the strings have same contents. Okay, ma? Right. Thank you for watching. So see you in next video.